Hi, welcome to another episode of PSI Random Talk. I'm Chidiaku, one of the marketing managers at PSI Software SC, and I'm joined today by an esteemed guest. Please, can you introduce yourself?
My name is Luc van Neerom. I'm in the company since many, many years, and today my role is innovation management.
Welcome, Luc. All right, so today we're going to basically talk with Luc about the AI roadmap that we currently have ongoing, what is to come, what's currently going on in regards AI and PSI Software SC, business unit, process industries and metals. So Luc, what's cooking?
So since the beginning of the year, we are in a strategic boost of AI inside PSI. And this goes together with the creation of a central unit for knowledge about artificial intelligence. We call it the Central Function for Industrial AI. And so since last year, but with more and more work done this year, we start collaborating with this central group of AI experts. They are not only AI experts, they also deliver software to the business units. And today they have mainly three kinds of softwares available for the business units. One is about qualitative labeling and adaptiveness. Another one is about prediction, understand machine learning. And a third kind of basic AI technology that the business units might use or want to use is generative AI.
Okay. So tell us more about this qualitative labeling you're talking about. That's qualization, right?
This is indeed what is qualization, which was originally developed by another PSI company, FLS, which is today completely embedded inside this central function. The main idea of a qualitative labeling is that if you have a huge amount of, in our cases and our customers' cases, customer data, that you have to find a way to label that data, especially if you have to make decisions on a huge variety of data. For example, you have data about the energy consumption, you have information about quality, you have information about the cost of things, but a huge variety of elements of information, data information, but in the end, our customers, but also our software, we have to make decisions. And this is what qualization is about. It is making a multi-criteria decision, production decision, based on a trained data model.
Okay, I mean, that's great. I mean, I have heard obviously about qualization and how we have it in some of our products already, like the online heat scheduler.
Exactly.
And I'm sure there must be a plan to, roll this out in more of our features or components.
You're absolutely right. So 2 years ago, we enrolled it already as part of our online heat scheduler. There, the basic functionality of the multi-criteria decision-making was about, okay, I have three alternative ways of organizing my future production. But from a business and from a production capacity, and what is the best? So we use exactly this qualization to make, okay, these three possible scenarios, according to your definition of what is good and what is not so good, this is the best solution. In the end, again, as all our planning software, it's the operator that decides, but we give him already very qualified information. This we did for online heat scheduler. Now it's full in the pipeline to do the same kind of extensions in our planning tools, like the sales and operation planning tool, but also in others like line scheduler, caster scheduler, also in matching. So it is a very good concept to compare different reasons or unreasons or less good reasons why a material unit and a production unit go together. They go together, but sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. What is the best choice? These are our customers have to make thousands and thousands of such decisions every day. And our software, with the help of qualization, can help to do that fully automatic.
I'm sure our customers cannot wait to finally roll out these, new features. And I want to, obviously I know what we do with machine learning, quality indicators and so on and such. We've presented at events
Several
about this
times.
regularly. A lot of people do know actually what we do with machine learning. But I want to talk about what you mentioned in terms of generative AI. Anyone who's attended some of our events recently would have probably met Athena, who's actually connected to our LLM, our Qualification A2. But could you tell, obviously, those that haven't met Athena, that haven't had, any experience actually coming to our booth and seeing Qualification A2, can you tell them what we're doing with generative AI?
So the strength, the power of a large language model is that it can easily generate, it's generative AI, an answer to a huge variety of questions and queries. And the way it is doing that, it is because it has a neural network of possible answers to all possible questions. So, of course, every software company like ours has a huge amount of documentation. It has documentation on how to use the software, why is this software, or from a sales point of view, what are the benefits of this software. So you have various aspects of the same thing, a piece of software. And of course, it would be very nice that instead of having to go through 25 documents or 500 documents or 5,000 documents, that you can just query this huge amount of information with a type-in chatbot. And of course, our Athena is even better than that. You can just speak to her. The speech is translated into a query. The large language model gives back the answer. And she also, not only spoken, but also written, answers the question. So it's a nice way to interact with hundreds, if not thousands of pieces of documents.
Yes, it definitely is. Anyone who has met our AI avatar Athena has definitely had quite a pleasurable experience. So, I just want to say thank you for joining us on this episode and definitely sharing what is to come and what's currently going on right now.
It's my pleasure.
Definitely look forward to having you again in another episode where you can tell us, that these features are finally out and these are the amazing things that can be done with our software. So there you have it. Another great episode where I'm joined by another esteemed colleague of mine, this time a fantastic AI expert. Another great episode filled with fantastic information. And then you get to know more about what our solution can help you to achieve in regards your goals and all the benefits you can get from our solution. So if you want to know more and learn more about our solutions and how they can assist you on your digitalization journey, watch our episodes on Spotify, get in contact with us on LinkedIn, drop us an email. So till the next episode, goodbye.